The end of support for Windows 10 is an attempt by Microsoft to force you to use the new Windows 11, a system that in practice requires you to buy a new PC, which is obviously very expensive. A digital protest is happening and many people have even gone back to Windows 7. Don't do that. There is a way to get support for Windows 10 until the end of October next year without paying anything and without having to format your computer. Stay with me until the end. Hey everyone, I'm Manfred. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get support for your Windows 10.22 H2 until next year, even though it lost support on the 14th of this month. You won't need to format your computer or spend any money. It's super quick, easy, and completely free. So guys, here in my computer settings, as you can see that I'm currently using Windows 10 Pro version 22 H2, which was actually the last update for Windows 10. Since on the 14th of this month, October, support for Windows 10 ended. However, my computer is closely monitored and well protected, and if I click on the Change Product Key option, you'll notice that it's the Windows 10 Pro edition. Under activation, it shows that Windows is activated with a digital license, which is linked to your Microsoft account. This only happens, right, because my computer is registered to receive extended security updates, as you can see, which is a feature from Microsoft itself. Quick and easy to set up, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. Well, it's actually very simple. You're going to open your Documents folder right here, then go to this PC, right-click on it, and select Properties from the menu. Now, you're going to click on the option that says Change Product Key. So, what happens is, you'll see that Windows is activated with a digital license. Now, click here on Windows Update, and here's where the secret is. A lot of people really don't know about this particular feature. Because people don't know about this here. You're going to click on Check for Updates until it installs every last available update. So let's do that and come back when it's finished because it takes a while. Okay, we're back, folks. All the latest updates for our Windows 10.22 H2 have been completed here. And these two pending restarts for the computer are left. But before that, let's do the next step, right? Before restarting. So first, you're going to open up your Google Chrome web browser. Once you have it open, you're going to go to the address bar at the very top of the window and you're going to type in Hotmail or Outlook, right? Let's go ahead and navigate to the Hotmail Outlook page and then click right here on Outlook. Actually, it already came up right away on the very first page of the search results. So you're going to click right here on the button that says Create a Free Account, okay? You need to have an account in order to continue, so let's go ahead and create one here together. I believe that many people didn't get past this step because of this. I'm choosing Hotmail here because when I tried with Outlook, for some reason it didn't work. I'm going to enter the username manfratech2. Pay attention, okay? Follow the steps carefully so nothing goes wrong, alright guys? I'm going to choose a password here. Here, I'm just going to put any date, okay? I'm only going to use this email for this purpose anyway. Here, 1990. Alright. Next. Hello, my name is Manfred Lima. I don't want to receive emails. Next. Do exactly as I'm doing, okay guys? Click here and hold. There you go. Now you just have to wait. After you create the email, there's another step. If you don't do it, you won't be able to get support for Windows 10 until 2026, right? So here, after I do this, I'm going to skip it, okay? I don't want to do facial recognition. Close this here. And here, you go to the upper right corner, click on your account avatar, and choose the option My Microsoft Account. Pay close attention and do it exactly the same way, and it'll work. Just be a little patient because the internet isn't the best today. When you get to this window, you're going to click on Privacy. And here you'll need to choose another email that you already have, okay? This is so you can confirm it when you register for your Windows 10 support extension. So I'm going to put an alternate email here. If you want, you can use your phone number too. In my case, I'm going to enter an alternate email that I already have. Enter here manfratech@hotmail.com. Alright, now I'm going to click next here, okay? And it's going to send the code to that email, right? I've even left it open here just to make things easier. I'm going to press F5 here to refresh. And here, the code has arrived. Don't worry, I'm going to show the code here, but it's an email I created just for this video, okay? And this code can only be used once as well, okay? So I'm going to copy it now. Then, we go back there and paste the code here. Click on next, and now we have an email registered. So, I can do this here. You can restart your computer, right? You'll go back to the settings there and click on restart now, and then just wait patiently. So, go ahead and subscribe to the channel because you'll need to come back to this video to watch the rest of the tutorial, alright? Don't forget. So, guys, real quick, we've already finished the updates. Now you're going to come here again, right, to my computer properties. Here in properties, you can see that the whole layout has already changed, right? Now you're going to click here on change product key, and now you go to Windows Update. And now that message finally appeared. Your version of Windows has reached the end of support, right? So you're going to click on check for updates again. It found a few more minor updates here really quick. Look, it won't ask you to restart the computer. I believe these are just minor installations, right? Just let it finish here so we can move on. But notice that it already showed up here. Sign up for extended security updates. That's what we're interested in. So this will only appear when you've done all, really all, of the latest updates. Since it only found these last ones here, it already gave me the options, so I don't even need to wait for this to finish. Let's move on to the next step, right? You're going to click on register now. Don't forget, under any circumstances, the email address you created, okay? Then here, you'll click on next. And now you're going to use the email address that you created earlier. I used manfrotech2@hotmail.com, right? Alright. Click next here and look at what it's going to do. It's going to send a code to that exact email we registered, right? With two-step verification. You have to type in here the email address that you registered with. So mine was manfrotech@hotmail.com. Just make sure you enter the same email address you used when you first signed up. Then it will send the code to you. Click on send code. Now you go to your email, hit refresh here. The code has arrived here. Copy the code here. Let's do it again. Paste. Log in. Now just wait, guys. It's really quick, okay? You'll have another year of peace, no stress, no need to reformat your computer without resorting to dangerous methods. There are people still using Windows 7. It's not worth it. If Windows 10 is already a risk to use without support and security updates, just imagine Windows 7, which is even more outdated. So here, at no cost. See that, folks? Extended security updates valid until October 13th, 2026. That's almost the end of next year. No additional costs. Click on register. And the magic will happen. I haven't seen anyone teaching this yet, right? So I decided to bring it to you here. Look. Alright, you've registered for the extended security updates valid until October 13th, 2026. And here it's connected to the email I created. It's registered to receive the security updates. And then just click done, okay? And here, look, you're up to date, right? So every month I'll have 2 security updates here, right? From official Windows by Microsoft itself. So did it work for you too? Leave it here in the comments. Don't forget to like the video too if I helped you, okay? That will encourage me to keep bringing more and more quality content to help you every day with your computer. The comment is important because other users will see your comment and understand that this video really is valuable and that it delivers what it promises in the end, right? Besides helping the video get more views, lately I haven't even been able to reach 200 views. That's what's happening with my channel, so I need your support, okay? I know it's annoying to keep asking for likes, to keep asking people to subscribe to the channel, but if we ask and we still don't get much, imagine if we didn't ask, right guys? So please leave a like and subscribe to the channel as well, okay? because there are many other videos here. Take a look at my videos. You'll see that there are definitely a lot of videos that can help you with some problem you're having on your computer, whether it's Windows 10, Windows 11, right? I have several solutions here for some problems that are common in computers nowadays, especially in older computers. For those of you who stayed until now, I have an extra tip, simple but very important, to ensure your computer's security until 2026 when your Windows 10 support extension ends. So the tip is very simple. You come here to the magnifying glass, type create, click on create a restore point, select drive C and configure it. Activate system protection, then click on apply and select OK. Now you're going to click on create and here you'll enter the name Clean Windows 10. Click on create. That way you've created a restore point on your computer with everything important already installed. Just create this point after you've installed all the programs you want to use, your games, and once you say, okay, my computer is ready to use. You're going to do this here and create a restore point. Why? If you click on an unwanted link or later install something that comes bundled with those secondary malicious programs, you'll notice that your computer is behaving suspiciously. You might think there's a virus on your computer or that some hacker or spy is accessing your keyboard and taking screenshots of your conversations. So you're simply going to come here, right? Go to the little magnifying glass, type create again, go into create here, and then click on system restore. And when you click on next, you'll notice that the option for the restore point I just created will be here. Let's suppose that 2 months from now, this computer starts restarting by itself, showing blue screens, closing pages, or opening a bunch of internet pages on its own. All I have to do is come here and click on next. I'm going to restore my system to today, so it will go back to being clean, okay? The only thing it won't do is, if you delete your personal folders, it won't bring them back. But everything related to your operating system, any changes made to your operating system, viruses, hackers, anything, it will all go back to how it was before, okay? And that virus you got, or that spyware that was installed on your machine, won't exist anymore. Now your computer is completely protected and up to date. A big hug and I'll see you in the next video.